Hello and welcome from AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I have the absolute pleasure to be showing you around and demonstrating some of the features and controls on this beautiful 2022 72 plate all new Range Rover D300 SE. Now the first thing to point out on this vehicle is that this car, having been only registered in November, has only done 608 miles. It has barely been driven, but it's absolutely superb. It is in immaculate condition, as is the interior. I'll be taking you through to the inside of the vehicle very shortly. And in terms of the specification, this particular vehicle also has £4,710 of factory fit optional extras. Looks absolutely superb and has all the specification you could wish for. So as we start from the outside, we can advise that the vehicle is finished in the Fuji white paintwork. It has the beautiful Perlino Perferated Windsor Leather upholstery, which finishes the vehicle extremely well. And then in terms of the aesthetics from the outside, we have got the privacy glass from the B pillar backwards there with £475, and you can also see that the sliding panoramic roof is tilted there, another £545 from brand new. We have the 21-inch sparkle silver alloy wheels. Now the all new Range Rover really does epitomise comfort, elegance. It really does absolutely look fantastic. So as I take us into the inside of the vehicle here, we can have a closer look at the beautiful perforated Windsor leather. We can see we have the sunblind that works in conjunction with the sliding panoramic roof, and the all new layout for the Range Rover. Now if we start the vehicle up, not only have we got the reversing camera, we have the 360-degree camera to assist also. Heated steering wheel and adaptive cruise control, all controlled on the steering wheel just there. And £2,300 worth of the 24-way heated and cooled massage electric front seats with memory. Absolutely superb. The rear seats also heated and ventilated. If we just come out of the vehicle, we can show you some more specification. We do have the upgraded Meridian surround sound system. We've touched on the memory seats for both driver and passenger. And the Range Rover does also come with 4-wheel steer. So if you are reversing, the rear wheels will move slightly with the vehicle, making it that much easier to park the vehicle. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you found that useful. I look forward to speaking to you again soon and see if we can do some business. Thank you for watching.